for dialing in here on Zoom. This is Jared Burnett, and we're going to get started here in about 30 seconds. We still have some more people coming online. We're going to give it about another 30 seconds, and I'm trying to get my special guest unmuted. So give me just about 30 seconds, and we'll get started. Thanks for joining us. All right, well, guys, thank you for joining us. This is Jared Burnett, and I'm actually coming to you from Europe. I'm actually over here speaking at a leadership conference for some businessmen. I was in Ireland a couple days and then Poland, and I'll be flying back to the United States. But somebody invited you to be on here and to check this out. And we're going to give you an overview of what we feel like is, and really what we know by the data and the facts and what's going on. One of the fastest.
People are commenting already on things.
Company. I'm going to share my screen. We're going to jump in and get started.
How long have you been doing it?
Give me my phone.
We're actually going to have some assistance because we've about maxed out the lines, and so we're going to have some assistance here with someone that's going to share the screen. There we go. Thank you, Remy. I appreciate that. Let me make sure that our guest speaker is unmuted. Looks like she is. So here we go, guys. So what you see right in front of you is what we call the plan. And the plan is for Pure to become the #1 online shopping company in the world for all things health and wellness. And that's our goal. That's what we're trying to accomplish, and we believe we're going to do it. Next slide, Remy. And so when you take a look at Pure, you see a picture of our world headquarters and our offices there in Dallas, Texas in the top right. You see our logo, Pure, stands for People United, Reaching Everyone. And you've got two of the fastest growing industries in the world colliding: health and wellness and online shopping. And when you think about it, everybody's doing something to get healthier. Everybody is, whether they're are all doing something.
Cupcake and Cheese Boutique. Anyone here an Advocare distributor?
Get help with shopping. Online, all these things, everything's going online. And in fact, everybody you know is shopping online. And so Pure is basically a health and wellness online shopping company. And when you take a look at our ownership and our leadership, you're going to see, Phil Knight, the founder of Nike, is one of our owners, one of our investors. And you take a look at our other owners, leaders, just incredible businessmen. Next slide, Randy.
amazing. But let's not reach out because I know you're
And then when you take a look at our product families, guys, we have something for everybody under your roof in your home. And really, that's what we believe, is that every home needs a pure membership. It doesn't matter what you do. I don't care if you're in another company. Every home needs a pure membership because we have the most all-natural, pure, potent products that people get results on every time. We've got a wellness board of medical doctors that put together our products, do all the R&D research, and because of them and the science, our products are featured in the physician's desk reference. You see that on the bottom right. That's why we're attracting a lot of doctors, nurses, people from the medical profession, because our products are featured in the PDR. And then when you take a look at our philosophy, this is really the driving force behind everything that we do. It's cleanse, balance, and build. Those three things. And when you cleanse the body, you get the poisons and the toxins out. When you balance the body's pH and the hormones. When you build the body up with good nutrition, the body has the ability to heal itself. And we do that. We do follow this philosophy with our core 4 products. The liquid cleanse and capsule cleanse, the world's first whole body cleanse and detox in one product. Now, that's what's so unique. If you go to the health food store and you tell them you want to cleanse your whole body, they're going to tell you grab a grocery cart and start throwing all kinds of stuff in there. We do it all in one product, and then we balance the body with one product. The Goyan, it balances the pH, the hormones, male and female, brightens the mood, reduces stress. You just drink 2 to 3 ounces of it every morning, and you're going to, I call it the feel-good drink. Some people call it happy juice. I've heard it called Prozac in a bottle, marriage counselor in a bottle. So, liquid Prozac, that's what it was, what someone told me. So all different things. It's amazing. It tastes great. It's for everybody in the family. It brightens your mood, and it's going to balance your whole system. And the Daily Build. So the most comprehensive vitamin you're going to find anywhere on the market, especially in our liquid form. You're not going to find anything out there that has as much stuff in it that's pure, potent, plant-based nutrition to give you everything you need. In fact, you feel it the first time generally that you put it in your body. And then our Pure Energy. Guys, Pure Energy is all natural, pure energy drink with wheatgrass, greens. We know nothing artificial in it. Over 40 ingredients that wake up the brain, give you a mental alertness, focus, 6 to 8 hours of energy with no crash and burn. I drink it every morning. I used to drink a half pot of coffee every morning. Now I wake up, I don't even drink coffee in the morning. I wake up, I drink the Pure Energy, and I am ready to rock and roll. So next slide, Remy. Thank you. So M2C. Guys, this slide right here explains why I got involved with this company. Manufacturer to consumer. The fact that I didn't have to be the Avon lady and go out there and deliver products, that I'm just, just setting people up with a membership, no inventory, no collecting money, no delivering product. And there's 2 different memberships that people can get. And guys, this is what we're taking to the world. This membership wholesale model of shopping online. Everybody needs a pure membership, whether you're a preferred customer member or an IBO member. So a preferred customer is free. So if all you want to do is get our products, become a preferred customer. It's a free membership as long as you're ordering product every month on AutoShip. And that gets you a 20% discount to set up that AutoShip and start ordering every month. And then an IBO is someone that pays $25 to get a 25% discount. So you get a higher percentage discount on the products. But then if you're ordering 100 points of product every month, you're active and qualified every month to earn income. And, it's pretty powerful. So next slide, Remy. So if you build teams that build teams, you can make a lot of money, not just by referring preferred customers and IBOs, but you start building teams, you can make a lot of money. 6 different ways we pay out. We pay out every week. Over on the right, you see the ranks and the average annual income of people that are building our business. Take a look at bronze, silver, gold. Most people are doing that on a part-time basis, even platinum. We have platinums, new platinums every week, $63,000 a year on average. These are real numbers from our income disclosure statement. These are the average annual incomes of people at different ranks in our company. Look at the diamond position, $250,000 a year. Heather and I have helped almost 70 people, not just directly, but indirectly through our team of leaders. You can go to Pure Team Global and look at the leadership at the people, and we've developed collectively almost 70 diamonds in the company. And you build two teams. You build a left team, you build a right team, you get paid to infinity. Just get paid down. You're actually getting paid to infinity. So powerful, powerful compensation plan. Next slide. This is our bonuses and incentives. And when you take a look at our bonuses and incentives, there's a pure enrollment bonus. That bonus you got to get bonus qualified. That's even separate from our comp plan. It's strictly a bonus that's paid to people that are bonus qualified. And I'll actually go through that here in a minute and show you how to get bonus qualified. And then our pure rank bonus. Every time you move up in rank, you get a bonus. And guys, these are huge. These go from $1,000 starting out at the platinum rank just for hitting that rank. And then boom, they send you a check for $1,000.
What is that?
$250,000 for attaining the rank of Crown Diamond. And so the rank advancement bonuses are huge. Next slide, Remy. There we go. Free auto ship, pure destinations. When you hit Diamond, you're going on these trips around the world that are amazing. And then our system, pureteamglobal.com, a support system, a success system. This is how we teach you how to be successful in Pure. Through training, coaching, mentoring. Our success system is inviting, showing the plan, sharing the product, connecting to a leader. We actually do this 5 nights a week live with 6- and 7-figure earners showing this plan 5 nights a week. And all you got to do is send someone a link, invite them, follow up, and we're going to help do a lot of the work for you, a lot of the heavy lifting. And then you show up on our Saturday morning training calls, get trained, show up to our events, our webinars. We're going to mentor you through our leaders and really show you how to build this. So the Pure Biz app, we have an app to share testimonies, presentations, training, all at your fingertips. The Pure Success magazine, 3 tools in 1, a presentation in the front of the magazine. The second part of the magazine is a set of success stories of all of our diamonds and above. And then the back of the magazine is our product catalog. And then we have a planner, the Pure Planner, to track your progress and keep organized with building your business on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis. Next slide. And then the timing. Guys, our company was founded in 2008, did $12 million in sales the first year. Today, we're a $100 million company, plus that's what we're on track to do this year. And we believe we're going to be a $1 billion company soon. So you're getting involved in this company before it goes from small to big, before people know the name, before people hear about the brand. You can get involved now before this thing goes from small to big. Next slide. And then this just shows you how to get enrolled. Shows you how to become a preferred customer membership versus an IBO membership. Again, if you just want products, become a preferred customer, get your free membership, get set up. If you want to make money, you want the highest discount possible, you want to be an IBO. So pay your $25, enroll, and you're an IBO, and then you want to get bonus qualified. Why do you want to do that? Because if not, the bonus money is going through you and paying someone above you. So 2 ways to do it. You only have to do it 1 time, and you're qualified for life from then on. So option A, is you do a one-time investment, $1,900 for 1,500 point value of products. Okay, point value is what we pay commissions on, but it's $1,900 of products you're getting, and you are qualified, bonus qualified immediately. And you're going to get just about everything we have as a company when those products come in on that pack. I'll show a picture here in a second. Option B, if option A is just not feasible for you right now,